Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're starting an exciting series of videos dedicated to creating our own audio player using the C# programming language and WinUI framework in the Visual Studio environment. We'll walk through each step of the process so you can build a high-quality music playback application. You don't need to be an expert, we're starting from the basics. Before we dive into coding, let's create a new project in Visual Studio. We'll choose the WinUI template, which will allow us to create a beautiful and user-friendly interface. Great, the project is created. Today, we're starting with developing the main menu. Let's jump right into the code. Let's open the main window.xaml file and start creating our main menu. Inside the grid, we'll be creating our main menu. Let's start by adding a menu bar element. This element forms the foundation of our menu. Now, let's add a few menu items. We've created the main menu with items in it. The menu items will later be linked to functionality. The separator separates menu items for better visual structure. This is just the beginning of our audio player. In the upcoming videos, we'll learn how to create actions for the menu items, connect functionality, and develop the user interface. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the upcoming episodes.